Easy Lift Equipment ER counterbalanced roll manipulators are the safe and ergonomic solution for handling rolls in a wide range of applications. Roll manipulators are available with a straddle leg base frame or a counterbalanced base frame as seen here with our SRCR clamp. The unique design of our SRCR clamp allows operators to pick or place rolls in a vertical or horizontal position and has 360-degree endless rotation either left or right. Before using the equipment, the operator should perform a visual inspection of all the hydraulic lines and fittings to check for any leaks or damage to the machine from previous usage. If any damage is located, contact a supervisor prior to using. Prior to proceeding, you should verify that all functions are in proper working order. All controls are located on the top of the DC cabinet for easy accessibility to the operator, including switches for lifting or lowering, clamping or unclamping, and a continuous 360-degree endless rotation of the clamp, either left or right. It also includes a red safety switch for the clamp function to prevent accidental release of an elevated load. This roll manipulator features our DC-powered lift system, which is powered by two 12-volt AGM deep cycle batteries housed in a closable cabinet with a hydraulic lift motor, internal charger, master disconnect switch, and gauge-type battery discharge indicator. The internal charger uses a standard 120-volt wall outlet. Charging times range between 6 and 8 hours. The charger has separate indicators for each battery which turn green once complete to ensure a full charge. Do not operate the unit while charging or with the extension cord plugged in. Doing so could cause damage to the unit. To get started, turn the unit on and disengage the foot floor lock. The clamping pads seen here are 16 inches high and lined with white non-marking SBR rubber to provide a durable yet secure non-marking surface to grip the roll. The SRCR clamp is also available with 8-inch clamping pads for clamping smaller rolls. When picking rolls from the horizontal position, the short arm acts as a scoop and is inserted under the roll. This feature is also beneficial when there is limited space below a roll when placing on converting equipment. Only lift the roll to the minimum height needed for safe travel before transporting the roll to its destination. Darcore ergonomic casters allow the operator to easily maneuver the fully loaded machine with minimal effort. The operator should always engage the step-down floor lock to secure the equipment. Leaving the roll manipulator unmanned without engaging the floor lock may allow it to move inadvertently and cause property damage or personal injury. Never, under any circumstances, should you lift or suspend loads over people. When clamping rolls with the SRCR clamp, it is essential to ensure proper alignment of the clamping pads. Clamping pads must be positioned opposite each other while centered on the roll's core to ensure a secure grip. The unit is also capable of clamping and removing completed roll material from printing presses for loading onto pallets for shipment to customers. Rolls can easily be clamped in a horizontal orientation and lifted to allow the operator to remove the mandrel and load onto a pallet for shipping. For more sensitive roll materials, the clamping force can be regulated with the adjustable clamping pressure option. Other popular options available for this model include adjustable clamping pressure or integrated scale systems for verifying weight or performing inventory. For food or pharmaceutical applications, roll manipulators are available in an FDA-approved metallic gray powder coating, as well as full 304 stainless steel construction. Both include food-grade grease, food-grade hydraulic fluid, and corrosion-resistant lift and rotation chains. As seen here, the unique design of the SRCR clamp enables the operator to place rolls down in both vertical and horizontal orientations. This offers greater flexibility for a wide range of roll handling functions. The larger clamping arm is equipped with 2 pin positions to allow the handling of 12 to 26-inch diameter rolls. The adjustment involves removing and replacing a pin with relative ease and sliding the upper clamp arm slightly to the desired setting. Adjusting the clamping arm allows for handling rolls from approximately 12 to 22 inches in diameter on the inner pin setting and 18 to 26 inches in diameter on the outer pin setting. Here again is the SRCR clamp, clamping and picking up a roll in both horizontal and vertical orientations, this time with the clamp set to the 12 to 22 inch pin setting. When operation is complete, it is always important to engage the step-down floor lock with the roll manipulator in a safe location to prevent accidents or personal injury. It is also recommended to turn the master switch off to conserve and maximize battery life. We offer a 30-day trial toward purchase program for first-time buyers at 15% of the purchase price. For more information on our products or to discuss the specifics of your roll handling project, please contact us today.